Welcome in the image pipeline tutorial. The idea of this service is to create a pipeline that allows you to modify all your images. Let's get started. Here on the left hand side you can see your pipeline. The pipeline consists of tubes. You can add more tubes into your pipeline by clicking on this add button. By holding down the control key you will be preventing the closing of this model. So I can add more tubes in my pipeline just like this. You can change order of tubes in the pipeline by drag and drop. You can remove tube from the pipeline by clicking on this delete button. You can, with this export template, you can download the template of your pipeline and save it for later, just like this. It will be downloaded in this file into your computer. With this add template button, you can add some pre-made template, or you can load a template from file you downloaded previously, this one for example. Each tube has its own functionality. The first tube in the pipeline will be the load tube. The load tube allows you to load images into your pipeline. So I can click on this load button and choose images I would like to modify in the future. Here you can see the list already loaded images. You can choose and pick one of your images as a preview. I recommend you to pick the image with lower resolution for better experience with this tool. Now let's have a look at the select tube. Select tube allows you to select pixels in your image. As you can see here, I have selected the tool box tool. Box tool allows you to select pixels in the box. So here is the box configuration. So I can set here the top left coordinates of this box. If I put there 10 to X, I will shift the box 10 pixels to the right. Same is applied here. For example, 100 pixels down. Here is the output section. In the output section you can see the result after this tube. So the output has 3 different modes. The none, which shows you the actual image. The selection mode, where you can see all selected pixels. The selected pixels are marked with the red color. And there is third mode, objects. It shows you all founded objects. For that you need to add the object tube, just like this. And object tube will find objects in your image. Objects are pixels which are close enough to make an object. So for example, as you can see here, because we have selected these pixels and all of them are neighbors, all of them are one object, and here on the bottom you can see number of founded objects. The color of objects are picked randomly. Let's continue with the next tube, color. The color tube allows you to change color of selected pixels. So if we look at here, we have these selected pixels, and I've changed the color of these pixels too. Don't forget to have download tube in your pipeline. Download tube downloads images into your computer. You can have multiple download tubes in your pipeline. When you have everything set it up, press the start process button to process all images you loaded in the load tube. Here you can choose if you want to wrap all images together in the zip file and pick a name for the zip file and then press start. As you can see, all images were processed and the zip file was downloaded with the change we made here. Thank you for your time, and I hope this tool will help you with your all awesome projects.